Hi, and welcome to another edition of So Special Quilts Text Tuesday. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to clean your 5 and 7 series knife assemblies and your bobbin areas. First thing you want to do is go into your settings on your screen, go into your gears, into your machine, the tool, and the sweeper. If you'll scroll down here, you want to drop your feed dog assembly, move the thread catcher out, push your thread cutter, and you'll see your knife assembly will move out for you. That'll give you an opportunity to clear out some of these odd threads that are getting stuck inside your machine. It's also a good opportunity to take and use your brush to loosen up some of this lint, and take your vacuum cleaner. You can take a big one, or you can get one of those special attachments that we sell for the little ones that get down inside there. Kind of dust this out, put the vacuum cleaner in there, same in the hook area, and then putting everything back together again. To get your thread catcher to come back in, just go to thread catcher in, hit your knife assembly again, and your machine's back to the way you had it at the beginning.